Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Julier channel. Check. Halo guys, welcome back with me Satria Julier Manpaki in my channel, Julier channel. Check. I wish you all very happy and care for others in the world, your neighbor, all of your friends. Exactly. Stay healthy for now because Corona is not ending up. Okay, right? Okay guys, tonight I have one video from my subscriber that he want to me react this one because it is very special comparison. You know, this one is video is from the country who stay in Southeast Asia. It is Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, and Jakarta. These three big city I want to react because it is my first time to react this city in one video. Okay, this video released by Daniel channel, and yeah, I'm not sure because it released on 1 years ago, but it is new for me. Okay, let's begin in 1, 2, 3 and go. First is Singapore. It's not surprise me that Singapore have best scenery in Southeast Asia because Singapore they have the futuristic building and also glassy building, but oh, it's so perfect. Yeah, they have lighting on night. It's very beautiful, very clean and very attractive. I think I love Singapore so much. Wow. The composition of the building, it is very upping. Cool, very cool city. Yep. I visit Singapore for many times. You know, we got the opportunity to visit Singapore. Oh, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Yeah. The second video is from Kuala Lumpur and Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. That's very attractive. Tall building. They have three tall building. The big one is PNB, right? The newest is PNB, and you know, the Petronas Twin Tower, cool building. Whoa, so glimpsely. Wait, I like Singapore. Oh no, Kuala Lumpur. I'm sorry. It is Kuala Lumpur. I'm not surprised because the city of Kuala Lumpur, yep, it is interesting and famous, I think. Yep. Oh, the third is Jakarta, Indonesia. Yeah. The scenery. Oh, it surprised me. Scenery was very good and very beautiful exactly. Whoa, so glazy on night. I like the traffic jam, but I don't like if I track it in there. Oh, so beautiful Jakarta, so beautiful. I think it is the city leading in Southeast Asia. Perfectly Jakarta have many buildings too for now. Yeah, they put the source of this video. It is good. Please subscribe Raja Drone ID too. I'm not surprised. It is Jakarta, the metropolitan city in Southeast Asia, also in Asia. It is compared to Seoul because I had a impression of okay. It is okay, guys. I watched this video. It is very beautiful scenery. Okay, guys. It is time for you choose the best city. Independent to you. Please comment below, and then I want to know the beautiful city of yours and the beautiful city of me. Okay, for this one I choose in first is Singapore, in second is Jakarta, and the third is Kuala Lumpur. Okay, it is your turn. Thank you very much and see you in next video. Bye.